Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, hello. My outfit is super strange right now. I just have on like a sports bra thing and then some jogger pants. But I'm going to be mostly cleaning today, and so I didn't really want to look nice. I also have my windows open. It's like 65 degrees out. Love this weather. I haven't vlogged in a long time. I kind of took a break from vlogging, and so I'll explain that in a different video. Basically, what happened is I ordered drawers from IKEA, the Alex drawers, the 9-drawer set, and they came here and 2 pieces in them were broken, and so they're sending me replacements. And so I figured while I wait for the replacements to come, I might as well clean the whole area where I want to put them at. So basically my idea is to get rid of this thing, scoop my desk over as far as it needs to go, and put my drawers right here. So with that being said, I'm gonna clean up this, which has a whole bunch of makeup in it. I've had that thing since like middle school. Like, there is some old nasty makeup in there that I need to just throw, and like hairsprays, hair products. Up top here I need to clean this too. This is just a bin with like some technology stuff. I also have another one right here, and then I have all my makeup. There is some stuff in here that's like from Ipsy bags that I've never used that I can like donate. I might also wash my makeup brushes if I have time today. These are mostly palettes. Yeah, so just gonna clean this whole top up. And then this is like my candle section. I have over 20 candles. I counted them the other day. I know, crazy. I don't need over 20 candles, but somehow I do. So I'm probably just gonna leave all those in there. This is all stuff from like back when I was in school. Yeah, if you didn't watch my life update video, I am not going back to school this fall. Go watch that video if you want to hear me talk about that. But basically I have like textbooks and stuff that my school wouldn't take back, so maybe I'll try to donate those back to the school. Not really sure. And then under here I just have like some movies, like my phone box, some cases, and then over there I have a shoebox which can be thrown away, and then some other college stuff which don't need. And then I have more makeup palettes down there too that wouldn't fit in there. Once I get my drawers, all the palettes will fit in there. Another thing that I want to clean out is this thing, because I want to eventually put it in my drawers. I have another one somewhere. I have no idea where it's at though, so I need to find that. But I figured this would be a like separation that I can put like highlighters, bronzers, stuff like that in. So I'm eventually going to clean this out too. Maybe not today, not really sure when, but yeah. I'm not gonna stand all the way back up. I don't know why that made me so out of breath. But yeah, so basically that's what this video is just going to be, is like a little declutter, clean with me. So yeah, mostly gonna be montages, but I hope you guys enjoy. Subscribe if you like these kind of videos. Once I get my drawers, I'm going to be doing a whole organization video for them. So if you want to see that, be sure to subscribe. Okay, so right off the bat, this is worse than I expected. Like, look how deep this is, and it's filled all the way to the top, and I already pulled out like a few things. Oh my gosh. So a while ago I did go through this, and I did like bag stuff kind of into like groups. Like, here's like lip stuff, skincare. All these sponges can literally like get thrown. That's disgusting. Some powders. I literally have like bobby pins just like thrown in here. This stuff is so old. Like, I like don't know why I have a lot of this stuff. I don't know. Okay, I used to love this dry shampoo, but it has propane in it. Oops, I don't know if it'll focus on the ingredients. There we go. Do you see the propane? And dry shampoo with propane in it makes my head so itchy. And so I can't use that. I already threw another one away. I don't know if I got that. I have like bounce sheets in here. Like, why? Okay, so I basically took everything out. This is how you know you were a dancer when you have this many bobby pins. Update, I got them all in here, so that's good. I also found this little thing. I don't really know what that is. Also, when I took that out, I didn't know, but I have a whole another layer of stuff. This mostly seems like hair care and tools and stuff, so I think I'm just gonna start going through all of these bags and stuff like that, because I know most of this stuff can get thrown away. This was my first ever eyeshadow palette from I want to say this is e.l.f. Yeah, and like is broken. I've hit pan a lot, you can tell. I loved this thing, and I'm so like, if something has like, I have memories with it, I don't like to get rid of it, and this is disgusting, and I know I should get rid of it, but like I have so many memories using this. But I think I'm just gonna throw it because it's gross. It's like probably over 10 years old, and I'm never ever going to use this again. Okay, so this thing's completely empty now. I just have the makeup that I want to keep, which once I get my drawers, I'm just going to go through and organize a little bit better, but I barely have any left. That's my garbage can right now, like it's overflowing. And then, okay, this is empty, that can get thrown. This there's still a little bit left in, so I'm going to keep. There's like some home decor in here, like, what? Oh, these are things I didn't know what they went to. Some dance stuff, another makeup bag. So I was thinking of going through all this stuff today, but I feel like once I get my drawers, this is, oh my god, I just slammed that against the wall. But I think this is going to be easier to do once I get my drawers, just because it's already kind of organized by like the product, and so it'll be easier to put in my drawers. And so I think I'm just gonna leave that for now. Also same with my baskets, because they're mostly like technology kind of stuff, chargers, phone cases. I guess I do have makeup removers up there, but yeah, so once I have my drawers, it's going to be easier to set those things in there. So I think that's basically all I'm going to do for today. It's a lot cleaner than it was. I can't believe all the stuff I've thrown away. And then I did have a giveaway pile, but I'm not going to show you what I'll put in that, just because once I reach 2,000 subscribers, which should probably be soon because I just reached 1,900 the other day, I'm going to be doing a giveaway. So you guys will see all the products in my giveaway, so I'm not gonna show those. Oh my god, I almost showed my address. But I also have a Quip toothbrush, and I have the new brush head that I still haven't put on my toothbrush, so I need to do that. I was also going to film a haul this week, and I worked every day this week, and I just didn't feel like getting ready today, so I'm gonna film that on Friday, so that'll probably be up next Sunday, or I'm gonna wait a week and then film it later, because we're getting a lot of cute new fall stuff in at work, and I've already bought a few things, and so I kind of want to wait till more comes, because I know I'm gonna buy it to show you guys in the haul. I'm also filming a candle collection because I'm obsessed with candles. Like I said earlier, I have a ton of candles, and I want to show you guys like my favorite candles and stuff like that, so I'm going to be filming a candle haul soon. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this kind of random cleaning video. People love to watch cleaning videos, so I figured I would do one. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.